Unveiling your secret weapon. Understanding, play one's ace card. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that you might come across in movies, books, or even in everyday conversations. It's about strategies, but not just any strategy. It's about playing one's ace card. We'll explore what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Stay tuned to unlock this fascinating expression. Playing one's ace card refers to the action of using one's strongest or most effective resource, strategy, or argument, especially after other methods have failed. It's like having a secret weapon or a last resort move that ensures success or victory. The phrase originates from card games, where the ace is often the highest and most valuable card. When someone plays their ace, they're making a winning move that surprises opponents and changes the game's outcome. To understand playing one's ace card better, let's look at some examples. In a business negotiation, revealing a piece of crucial information that clinches the deal can be seen as playing your ace card. During a debate, presenting an undeniable fact or argument that leaves no room for rebuttal could be your ace card. In sports, a team might save their best player for the final moments of the game, playing their ace card to secure victory. These scenarios highlight how timing and strategy are key components of using your ace card effectively. Now that you understand what it means to play one's ace card, let's see how to incorporate it into your daily English conversations. This phrase can add a layer of depth and intrigue when discussing strategies, competitions, or even personal achievements. For instance, they thought they had the upper hand, but I played my ace card and won the contract. Just when everyone was losing hope, the coach played his ace card, and the team made an unbelievable comeback. Using this phrase, you can express complex ideas succinctly and engage your listeners with vivid imagery. And there you have it, playing one's ace card. Demystified. It's all about using your best resource at the most impactful moment. We hope this exploration helps you appreciate the strategic depth of the English language and enriches your conversations. Remember, the power of language lies in understanding and employing its nuances. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to play your ace card in learning and using English effectively. See you in our next video.